the 23rd of November 2020. Now, and the first ever presidential debate in Akan. Yede Ebrel Kofa bae yena abribia de ba na ades no so ahwe so ayevi. Etiene nonum pepepe yede hihya so ne santi Ofie Kwanso ebo no nan a ye ne ekro no na omo so ahwa preparatory na yetimi edi debate na Abrel o yen ya kan kasa mu a eti koso amane nda ha wa Adom 106.3 FM na watimi atie na wahu de kone de ba nyina. It's all yeah. What I say? Muni abema Jerry Justice na motimi nkan. Ewe Papa Bills wa African wa James Star Jeko wa Prince so ha. And I also war. Because of that, you know, near man be why your baby if you need fufu be a shame near there. Oh, not your bonnet because a Juma now on there. As a Timmy near Penny Nachi come clever via said by a cabia because Enchebia Nabosome Asun. Bosome so and one year didn't want to get young Shania may comes over a presidential debate business Nikomwa. You are not affecting me, Miss Mashi. I said, just say you're proper, you bought your money now. You know what I'm saying? So, once again, good afternoon and welcome. Quickly, into Chefama, on where say your day, and Indian and mom, what I say, oh, Madame Kruke, Bell Chapman, I know any the new party sensation in town. Say we party now we know festive season here dey anywhere bay adofo a eba won chene ade nyina guest ni na woni beji ye party a say utimi add a touch of class to sa party no e wa bra wo serve guest no well Bell Chapman we a cocktail yeah che say ye twa no e lime blackcurrant and a lemon na minerals so ehim kama which is vitamins papa bi pa ewo mu na low in sugar. You're on 330 and a 500 ml bottles. Each pack be anunya 16 bottles woman. Price also that cool. They available at shops and stores and supermarkets. How do you need? We are another quality product fee Bell Beverages. Obey to me our friend watching to doom 055 538 5800 and 055 538 59000. Bell Chapman for life's happy moments. I feel you can for the Obasima seal at the amount. We are the full cry and AGI and a Ghana Standards Authority I introduce you. The patrol food products out do in all town. And they all control you any year pa and share the Ikra Obasima seal. No, we don't say this our seal now, boss our food products. No, I mean that particular food products no. 18 essential vitamins and minerals. Yeah, a boy ye mom pum de 170 me con kind pra. The my and it is really animal man. So choose Obasima. Stay healthy, stay strong. As they do come out Vivo smartphones. It's about time you change your style up. What's switch it to the best? It's a phone when you did the best of BBI, one mobile phone, Washimo. A banner camera, you cry the best. A banner long lasting battery, you cry the best. A banner big storage, so you cry the best. So switch to Vivo smartphones. Sabi able to mean the best out of everything you will need in a smartphone. Mount San count there and phone shops out don't need them. The door panel, Johnny Communications. Best friend 0244 329 897 and our face stranger phones will be 0244 684 642. Vivo smartphones, stunning design, superior quality. I feel when your car when shopping, ebi crowd the outage you fee, and now ebi a wono. Abra we workout be kakra as a sports person, and now unya kwenshia kakra. It web proud don't pay more say your 9 kotodre sisi wachi na wonsa na wataso fabedan will give us scientific about clinic na yam wow most one more bad breath typhoid how I drink what dey malaria what any severe headache pa and I told out to me bo wasa fabedan will give us scientific about clinic na yenhwe na yensa yare kama pa e ba no scan ne ho semsem a ni edi mu akotene afi lab test massage dietary counseling physiotherapy ni nyina yegina mu e adwuma from Monday through to Saturday from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. Benu ye chia kwa Teshi Tribleo ye ben Bamboo Sport Kumasi award no kwada so near Christian Service University. Fred Give Us Scientific Ball Clinic. It was 0240 143 267 and our 0268 215 489. Afe yeni digakra. Emo ba ko ebetimi aka fa mo awie yi e Food Lovers Special Fragrant Rice. Abusia eyamu bia ede long grain rice pepper bia you create the perfect level of perfume into rice meal now prepare no per se very delicious pa ayaka is what the Food Lovers Special Fragrant Rice e be prepare when you usual or regular rice no a Food Lovers Special Fragrant Rice or sister some na feeling you know what I'm saying. That's right, yo. And then what can say and can't say and now Emma will be entity 20 found so. It's say the Ghana AIDS Commission Act 2016 Act 938 makes it an offense or best stigmatized and also be discriminated against to be or war AIDS and also HIV and TB ne what would be more tesano. What is only park no fair quantity is one. You bet me at one so. Enti pacho obi here do afasa kwan so afre wapcast is here 020 pacho wapcast number here 0302 241 452 and I'll bet me afre Wilder for 9 mile pro bono lawyer and on 020 262 7049 and 020 262 7084 try for so kind home attach with me from on so 0302 662 567 and 0302 662 150. Finally, as they do, I am from Dominion about powder. We about powder strong. When you be a boy, my immune system near very strong. A sign a boy and normalize blood pressure, heart and kidney related problems in now. So you free. I feel what was spine tie or obi on mo adabia na ne honam tutu no oye adwuma keto bia na wa breast stroke diabetes na ekutia no osora no pa na wasa Dominion about powder no kakra with teaspoon na de agun so hye mu okanu mu ana yese ya adwo na wanom anumre repeat the same thing mama papa ahoden be san ba bi mu ate available herbal shops to do na mu across the country okono se bi ni wa catch them say omonko enkoko no mo hwehwe Angel Dominion Bar Center for echi akwan da do bi omhia bi omsabeka and yes omon phrase 0543 158 195 and our fee 020 426 6449. Dominion Bar Powder, your number one immune booster. Shop, 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 shop. Show baba, show baba, show baba. Hey, 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 hey. Young choir. Yanda kwaku jesi ase medical catch us say ene ebrenisha but adwuma na on doso nyame adom sunti ye behwe na ya property ayini na e de afio quickly ye bebo awram na ye ne mutifo edi nkomo tiawa na ye wi ade aka no ye de abeto so enche bia no ye behwe asem a ye de tu hofo na ye de no so ato aso akọ ye nim na ya hwe de ewo ho no mo last week ye di nkomo ma ye hu muti kra ye kan adwuma ben kra na wendi na ebia na last week went me and we just a short recap na ye hwe say muti no ye kan muti kra na omo no de ne de adwuma na omo ye be me na agwaba
yeja
na bibia bokọ de
nyame adom
ye de rade asese enen so de wa beka yensa eti se na bi kan no matiefo ehunu na ye kan muti dwuma won edie kra na fe so kra no wa ye ni kakra na fe yabo ewura ne nkomo no
me ba cho me da wase se me chia wetiefo nyina
tiefo joso
me da wase so ni wadwuma pa wo bo magana fo muti no te se ne wa kan no meye bibia ya bon ho komo for some time now but say de bia ne nimpa dodo ana say nimpa foforo a omutie
sure
was almost to me hu nyuma pa ye gidi say ye wo Ghana ha eno hu ntie bon hu deru muti asoye a ye tonro ye te say normal pharmacy bia na ne ye ne say ye te indro so ma ye Ghana for enti oba asoye a sebi yare a odi ba ye bia ye hwe oyare ne indro a doctor atrama o say wase wo fa waba ya hwe ye nko ade ade a muti ye bete so ama o se ne be ya wonso wonsa betimi aka indro a betimi ama wompo mu ayeden anase indro betimi aboa ma esi sebi wo yare no ano kwan sabepepe inti muti edwuma ye no yetete indro so ema nkofo se wo moba ya so ye nko ade a
na no bi be ka say de na muti person mo achieve nti o mo afa sa de wi ato mo so mbe ni say yi
but ye organizational structure any ye vision and aim as a company ye be say you build an Africa that's in good health and no try say ye be say ye ma Africa ye ka say nkofo ye kan wiasima fanya nyina nko omo ho ye den a ye be say ye bo Africa empo Ghana as one of the countries I can call for more there. I think sometimes you call internet that's why it me who strongest people alive who have connect me with Japan near the idea until we and call for no me who tea near the idea. Into yes ye and say once a doctor I GD say or more school or more sa nimdie no ehun se se bi wo yare bi ewo ho a ebia nro sei na wasa wo tumi fa no se wo de ba ya so ya yetimi hu se san nro sei ya doctor trauma wi wase yetimi te so ma se ne be ya obetimi afa san nro mi ko nro ni bi wo ho a ebia na bo no soro kakra nti won hwani na etimi akoye asema ya hwani ya yentimi nka nti wo ba ya so ya nko ade a muti ye bete so na yare bia yare ahuro bia how bia betimi stroke betimi diabetes betimi also yare bia wakwa doctor hwe akase Mr. yare say na ya wunti no ebia no say na wasa ofa unya to na momba muti ye nchempe ye bete sandro isu ama se na be also betimi nya pomde.
Wow, that's nice. But yeah, share. Yet be bia na jeti ya isi bi coronavirus. Na abese nema sa ma and the confusion about sa bia. Na ye nyanti say muti for madam mutimi eboa na in this time here ya na PP ho akoye ade kure hadwen ne ade no mutimi hwe na ebi obi hia no bi sa akra betimi aboa na quickly the idea na brain will feel near the no delivery pharmacy boy no mun komo kakra.
All right, me that's it. Delivery pharmacy ni muti main branch ase omo min yusubro ni kasa omo championing the course say e betimi distributing ro amankrofo ti ne ye ne say covid ni ba ye ne ade no ne ye kan say yentimi ma ankrofo expose omo ho to virus ne sa nti ne be ne say ofre yen numbers mi be to dwa later ofre yen a ye behwe baby awo na nduro no ne ya tra to ho ne ya hyehye ne nyina package ne kama untua for packaging untua for nothing nduro na wo gi na ya teso ama no eno na utua ka owi a obetua flat fee of just 5 cedis for delivery baby awo nkran ha ka so baby a ye be sa delivery na ma you believe say we ye bibi a ye ya ye betimi aboa ma covid na spreading ne ade ne so etimi akofom nti ade ba kwa ye no delivery pharmacy ne de ne djuma o ya ne say wo frɛ ye won kofo why you training wo mo frɛ numbers na me wi am de beto dwana nia wo hia bi a wo frɛ na wo ka kyerɛ sankofo yi a omo be hihye ndroi omo be package e de best man dispatch rider e ma dispatch rider idea but at 5 cities baby a wo bia just 5 cities.
Wow. Now you Kobani say na unipa yentimamufo no the direct benefits na benya de afi we mu no and say e bi obi tia won hyedan hu benefits no benya from sa initiative we.
Me da say usually benefits how benya ne say discounts. Me say me share discounts ni mu. Say ebi a wo koto ade ne say ebi a ba ko ye 5 cedis na oba ya so ye ne say wo the 5 cedis no wada romanti ebi e de be ma 3 cedis. What you say? You know, there's a drastic change in the price. You say because prescription medication now, I know you're torn per tablets.
Okay.
And it cuts across every other pharmacy. You be almost torn per tablet. And this all by a so yes, per tablet. Near idea, you bet me near take a bonus amount. You be a tablet, and there are drugs that are very expensive. Drugs we or tablet back to me cost as much as 15 cedis, as much as 10 cedis, depending on the type of area. Sebe also ano ana bibisa.
Okay.
And you know by a once you're a member on Muti, and also want to and you say be a membership Muti BB, just by virtue of the fact that you're a member can you member discount. And you know that's the primary importance because I believe say yes I bit me aboa Emma ebia scan with me I should ni ya ubetimi so as ediaje ni amafoforo sir.
All right, so yeah share omo a face a benefit here wa kan won betimi enye bi nipa suo ana nipa kuo ben sa then class of people na omo eligible so betimi enya sa akonya to say
me that's ideally asem we de bia meka say muti ni yade a unnim eda ebitimi ayede hiada entino ye encourage say obia as much as you can ade free there obia ntimi register bi and niye ne say omo a ye encourage wo mo so omo register no e nkofo a sebi omo yare bia ebia e wo mo ho a e waso mutumi fa enro no de bia bibi te say pressure hypertension say enya ade a obitimi aka say and that's it mean family do although there are other ways obetimi managing a bedu level we need say e bia wo hia do at that time but sisi ana wo hia do na doctor ashel say in do e was so to me fa we ana pa we enyumre sankrofo sa na encourage omo say omo to me register anti-hypertensives omo ye diabetics ne ulcer mo stroke you know yare bia wakwa ye hu say sa yare potin we in how ena kwan we say na obetimi aso ano so wo sa unya once you are diagnosed of bibisa no bra so ye from then no me hu ni say ya de a betimi abo e ma waso ano in the long run as for as long as you want us to assist you and yendro na ye ton no so ye original goods ye wo bibi e friend originator drugs ne ye wo generics ne ade no ye more pharmaceutical based ne ye chere ni say ye wo indro bia obi abehia bia ne papa mu nso a sandwe wo fa ohun betimi atowa na say tumi ma ohun dwodwo se ne be ya umpo mu be den na betimi nso atenache.
Okay, now yenhwe kwan amanfo betimi afaso na ye kan say you be convinced, but how do they get to you? Kwan be no betimi afaso contacting mutifo na fe omo ato from there.
Okay, say and you do there I just made the numbers in to now before I made the numbers in betuja I beg your pardon numbers no betimi a WhatsApp and also betimi a free because as a CC ano nkofo more driven to WhatsApp no because WhatsApp ni ade nkofo ta use this time and the numbers am de betuja no ofre and also ye was ofre na o catch any panel na obe picking say we a new member person register on me sa registration number enye ade edin bia enye hu na WhatsApp ni so de o text your mo a o do details nyina be guso o din o date of birth o phone number o email address ni sa ni ama no de guso a nipa ne be ba be reply na o wi o do muti number inti numbers no me de betuja.
Okay,
0558 134375 Mesensi Subium 0558 134375 and abako no so ye 0248 41 0050 0248 41 0050. Na ye won kofon so a omunim internet mu ne the way it me register online ne ade to bi wo ho a on pese obefrɛ anaso on pese obe WhatsApp ansan ya ye ne muti number na obetimi akọ online at mymuti.mfarmer.com.
Okay.
My muti ne spelling here MUTTI into my I MY. And mfarmer pharmacy you twa so short I am farmer into at mfarmer.com into my main sign can be mymuti.mfarmer.com. And you know sa locations here na say contacts ni na obetimi afaso a obe register muti no register your generating number be ma hospital number two friend and boss na mana omo delivery pharmacy ni be hu say o muti member on best say on take price in so amount. All right, that's nice. Yenda wase and then so ne enchimu a ode amai na said da meka no nyame hia mo pa ne madwempa amafa ne emwa mo so mo de eboa Ghana fu nyina nyame ehia yeda wase pa anti abrese mu ne besa hia biem na de aka de atwa so me pa cho yo me da se pa.
All right Usutie 106.3 Adom FM yaka ba ko agu echebia e be de aka na awi talk of bips 5 be won de ju ne appropriate switch you cry bia be come on, you know what I'm saying? Shuba ba about your MTN Pulse and Chill promo no so ejinamu den na any kasem ne say enei ugu so any points wa bra out of favorite mashup bundle no on star 567 hash and on the MTN Pulse app no na wo ba benya akwanya so betimi aka nipa do a obetimi awini up to 5,000 Ghana cedis afa food and shopping vouchers any data bebre na di nyina betimi ayo dia e shall serve from the 1st of October nyame ya admo on the 30th of November ya na e ba wie etunya fa hunyimu a you look sharp fa wujim more keep mashing up to win large. MTN Pulse, just be we there for you everywhere you go. Hey, terms and conditions stay true. Tiano Ashes you. Now things just got packed here with a new pack choco. Yes, it is tastier, crunchier, and worth every bite. With the right blend of milk and chocolate for everyday chocolate lover. You've got to try it today. Yeah, so go out there, grab a pack now. Pack up your day with Pack Choco. You more do. Now let's give it up to the Coca-Cola Bottling Company of Ghana. In fact, Omaya there, my partner with the Ghana COVID-19 Private Sector Fund campaign. I'm a name. Omo boy na yet me I contributed to say funding. Now yet media boy I support amazing initiatives we need to say the anti-stigmatization campaign, the construction of additional infectious disease centers, and they can count pina. Now the obey a free sabri akopim June 2021. Abribi Alberto 1.5 liter bottle of Coca-Cola and now say Fanta and now Sprite no. Coke for the omo yente on bet 10 pesos if you says can near the aqua to a Ghana COVID-19 private sector fund no emu na yet me edi this age me we etukoswa na enjoy Coke Sprite and Fanta 1 liter bottle no na also o doniti no what I say tell to go say and can't say free morning offer no so gina na so den very simple. Mansanka new Airtel Tigo SIM. One make a transaction with Airtel Tigo money. No, it's mean your free morning calls for 6 solid months every morning. Yeah. Now, if you're already registered on Airtel Tigo money, very simple. Just dial *110#. Or select option 2. Then you subscribe for the morning offer with as little as 2 cities. Now, sorry, no powers waiting me for free. As from 5 a.m. to 10 a.m. Don't waste time at all. Buy an Airtel Tigo SIM today and get talking. Airtel Tigo money. Life is simple. Simple. Yeah. Now, Malcolm is back again with the hot Black Friday deals. November, so shop at Malcolm for your hot Black Friday deals every day in this month of November. From supermarket to household to furniture to groceries to electronics to everything. Nina, we've got your back. In fact, there are thousands of these hot deals in any Malcolm shop nationwide. Malcolm Black Friday, it's simply unbeatable. Terms and conditions apply. Malcolm, where Ghana shops. Now, Absa wow, I'm out to me and your Jumaye. What I say, we Absa ready to work campaign. We are fresh graduate. Yeah, we'll pay a quiet etimia faswa. Ubenyaka kradia tubutum. And you make sure so be journey Absa ready to work. Virtual sessions, no. Now yetimia wow, a transition from learning to earning. Our team of experts will be live on our Facebook page and Zoom. Nyame Adom Thursday and I feel so Friday ebe etiana washe on so why. Now you be engage you on entrepreneurship and people skills. Remember Thursday and I feel Friday 10 a.m. sharp now sharp yeah. It is time to get ready to work. That's Africanacity. That's Absa. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, Baba shall somewhere to your home for real quick. Now, if you're the car to us, but before we do that, MasterCard Semen Kind shows that the first whistle is more than just the start of a football match. It ignites passion. It is the start of friendship between strangers on the same side. It is you screaming your lungs out to cheer your team on. Say, Joe, I'll bet me at the I feel cream the banner say favorite player and the team score winning goal the more than that you know what I'm saying? It's you celebrating your team being crowned champions. Not just a first whistle, no. But it's just the start of something priceless. Don't just watch it, leave it. MasterCard, the official sponsor of the UEFA Champions League. Adom 106.3. Yeah, be enough for shot somewhere to your home for an area. In the meantime, a happy birthday going out to you, Deacon Emmanuel Ofori Enim of the Church of Pentecost, Tema Community 1, English Assembly. It's your day today. Enjoy this day in a special way. You are blessed. Yes. So keep swimming in the blessings of the Lord. Yeah? Happy birthday to you. And a happy birthday, though belated, going out to Melinda Ampa Kosa, old student of our Palm SHS, wishing you long life and prosperity from Nanan Kwantebisa. And also a happy birthday, Encore Emma Sheila Mafo of Spinkters Batuna. We are Juma Ewotishi last stop share. May the Almighty God bless you and protect you as you celebrate your birthday today. From your true lover, Emmanuel K. Obeng. The love is too deep. Shizzy. My food, you know. Love in the air, you know what I'm saying? It's all good, y'all. Yes. All right, and Chebia, Baba share Asamoah, Yedi Etu Hofo. I will feel consumed, so quickly enough, we try, I get it. And Sana, you better quiet, what I say. I remember sending me a lady fool, you know, now, what for the Browns. Obako celebrating birthday today. Dennis Obako de say Janice Obako de Lenny's urade. More fast food. Did you baby out of my friend about friend me who which is which and who is who? Oh yeah. And the happy birthday going out to Amanda Na Ayoko Ama. May the good Lord give you the strength and wisdom to smoothly overcome all challenges in life. Yes, all the challenges life will bring to you. Remember the wisdom. You'll be media facing now. Now I am successful as well. Yes, have a blessed day and enjoy your birthday. And the happy 85th birthday going out to a friend of the multimedia group and Asempa FM, Mr. Samuel Amihe. Yes. We want to thank you for being there with us over the years. May the good Lord continue to bless you and may He continue to guide you as well. Happy birthday to you, Mr. Samuel Amihe. From all of us here at the Multimedia Group, wishing you all the good things you wish for yourself, sir. Okay, so yɛnhwɛ asɛm a yɛde tu yɛn ho fo briefly. Na yewia yemfa de aka no entwa so ma catch us say and we going to like 5 na ya sorry so na the first ever presidential debate in Akan abro no pepepe na ye de ehhehwe so tisabre yentie de edi tuonfo and awie. So like I said earlier, no, and then me want fast for no back a birthday. Nah, your friend Janice Brown, yes, was sending me a message. Say, hi, Uncle Jerry. Today is my birthday. All right, so happy birthday to you, Janice Brown. AKA Lady Anu be the friend. Currently, or she Kumasi Sisia, I enjoy holidays kakrania dia. So happy birthday to you, my dear. May God bless you. One intelligent girl, smart girl like that. I love you so much, okay? You see me very soon. What I say? Yes. Have a good time with mom and dad in Kumasi. Why? Enjoy your birthday. And may God bless you. As always. Okay, Abusia, and the day 2 year home for no. Pretty simple. My catch say elections now air banintino. The umu na say abrini na no. Yebetimi ahwe na yetu ye hofo kakra and near my say any the answers here say be asumdwi kakra ye we ye be koso akurukura musa na ya to aba na wi ni ato aso akoyeri mu a bra how bia emma ya kwan mu enti na de me no ye hwe no efa elections no ehon about we na na de ne on the day of voting ankasa na akọ akoto aba no yehwe niam mienu bi ese utimi ehwe na wo ye as obi a oye oman bapa say the be ne enkofa basa basa bi ama. Number 1, or say know the exact location of your polling station. Bia wo to aba no ese se utimi hu by now we obi a oye oman bapa nko a watro odin so beto aba de by now ye agina ye ayeka say ese se hu bia e poten ko abeto aba na enye said on the day of election na say voting, you know, that day no e na wako ha wako police station A no akwa akodila mu wa fe bedu so we na enye ho na wo yes ko ba fufu afi obe call oh me ko sala wa asa makodi ki mu sa wa no afiti anopa na o msi midi no na membra na feel the confusion but because I was on for be for a very long time. What I say, so know the exact location of the polling station. I say vote. So we are from now you bet me I shall say check it. O call district BA mua. Your EC office they open every day. O call bet me the card na kwa shrom. Your share number ne also na. On bet me actual the exact place are SSO to now there are 2 team at all. It on that day, no. I feel number 2, the air share the account. Or see be at the police station between the hours of 7 a.m. and 5 p.m. No one make sure say obe quantum. If you are no pan on so akopem se bebo nwumre no num de entwen aka last minute to no nu afi na woko there be contemporary. Na de besi biasi wato awie wape oba biafa na asumdua ba. Ye na ye ntimi hwe ne observe san ne marketing kiti na emwa na bibia nso ntimi enkoyi emaye. Ye besa atoaso ye be ni se ya akopem se ye be wi abato na ya atoaso atena Ghana asumdua muli and ahomekamli na bibia ya fine. Yanko ahoma no so sesi a na yenya ntie se akwanhia bi asi na senso ni akwanhia e wo ye ablekuma anya market importem ho no na yene nana ma ade ninkita nana to say
me
pacho ehfa pote pa na ugina na akwanhia na si no.
I was thinking hospital, many clinics when in hospital because the never seen Libya. It's the Anya market closer to NIC.
Okay. The car train a ban send then see Ankasa.
Yes, a truck have been not need to see. And I have anything so private car no so. A tono ball. You side if anything. On say when I quest overhead be and to say in overhead, but just the way I criminal pakoni so no so dey if I go send aside in Nigeria so did you no mum dey we baba akon driver ni dey aye bibi kaka
to waso obi awu akwanhia nu
mpacha ni pa ba ko
ewie ya
se sia ka no cry on registered nti yentumi hu ye ni na busu en libya nti police ba ko na menso me ma po ejuma mi kofi ba mi ni yi na me frɛ no say ni si wa ana so okay anka na me ni say bia mi anya ambulance biaba
okay enti say see ya no de aside the what film no mo apira no yetimi afọ mo de mo call hospital na police for atimi aba house abehwe situation
police ni na me ne nam tesia.
Okay, so aside that, no traffic situation. What to say? Can you tell me how what's it?
Me pacha wa choki traffic a choki wo.
Okay, auntie, obeti me am police officer na kasa.
Pacha, okay, pacha so no. Pacha. Hello.
Yeah, hello. Me pacha na police officer no.
Okay, I was driving to
okay.
All right.
Okay, all right. So what
there was investigation on that.
All right, yeah, we will send our reporters there. Now, who said you bear no later on. That was a power for this information. All right, it's where your best as our police lady I attended to omo prania de. Your best say police for more that stretch mo be kwakwan so ablekuma anya market important hono because of the accident they see anything or ama huge traffic about on here. The na mo kohwe na mo rectify situation no am I why you best say ashenka for no so na mo nya abotre kakra wa kwan no so amaye why yestem bebre. Okay, so your first da my prosperous omo boy ma yetie asem a yede tu yon fo awie na ye nto aso eno in boost herbal mixture aka police ni adru no papa immune booster bia and chance adru yi. I am telling you me manomo be feel for mabusu for he amafo anom adwuma mu afo yi amo anom enya nka ya kadada aduro ne correct de mama ni gye mo no se wabra agusu awo nom no bia na yare bi hwe onipadua ne kono ba bi a wo kra wo nya we ono abekọ akoko atia ni na clear omu na afi o ma vim na ba mo na immune system no so waye den tu nyare da ye kwa ba ya ma na bia ya na ye kwa ya de bia san bo nya se yare na abo ya to oh da bia 24/7 our immune system is working 24/7 our immune system is working because of imboost herbal mixture. It bo modern apebia cha kwa na so nom na bebo apa obenya bia to herbal shops awdo na mu okoye King's Walk where Okanshi drug lane bebre ho alternative and then dependable herbal shops across the country bebre ho health alert shop o St John's bebre ho oko Little George Health Shop Community 5 Tema bebre ho Tribe of Judah Pharmacy Udama Pharmacy Equus Pharmacy ho nyina benya bia to. Yes, our phrase 0243 115 948 and our phrase 0246 208 496. And when you first day, deal, Emma MTN and they pause and chill promo or say Jana Nasu say Pampe. Yamwa Quenya, I'm waiting me at any points where bra. Or try your favorite mashup bundle no on star 567 hash or on the MTN Pulse app. Now what me and Quenya say obey one of many winners on me winning up to 5,000 Ghana cedis of food and shopping vouchers and need lots of data. I shall say from the 1st of October, Nyame add more the 30th of November. So keep mashing up to win large. MTN Pulse, just be. We there for you everywhere you go. Terms and conditions apply. Tiana Washen on son Adia Mayan. Afeti OMV and Sons Company Limited. Metro Moso Anama sorry. Omo nene omo boao sebe ya oka enkoja ensia kwantinfi all because when you flat tire ade ya pass wa boka petrol ma wo ye jenny engine sound bibia dana kwam fine ba kwa na bibia wo ka tire mu kan timi nko biem oh we dey na no adana akra kumasi highway so na akwa bi te ayi se sakapu na ede kapu se Land Cruiser tete bi na what the light be a shim no or bank one na movie just on the okay bo okay mo akwe so okwe na onu kwa na tikam na jo na de na yi no hia ka da gidi afi ye kosa jejeti o jejeti junction baby akwe na ne tie adwo akai na am say hey say no gidi onu kwa na tim na open na si afi no wo tutu na ni sisi original kwa na say wa he o car tie a juicy form of massa a serious issue a hard dream papa na dia ba ko hard dream one say who two tire now this spare tire beshe now be two flat tire na wie na fe ko yi spare tire na say no so e sheka no nkra dada no kra adwo awurade na chese de be siesie wie enei OMV and Sons Company Limited about the amount o tire bedwo amaka na je osi kwantifi etwam unhia bibiem we no your friend of puncher safe na solution ka krabi na ye mie de gu car na tie no di amount now the car nam hwe dadwa number 1 dadwa number 2 dadwa number 3 dadwa number 4 both and I says screwdriver and pintoa then bibia be wo car na time bia e betimi wo 1 2 3 4 5 6 sa over 100 ni na wo mu a puncher safe na water no ebesan silito kro no it that one de ebe water no but from am pien fi water no ma water no si from da e wo mu a na akwa behye to grum na asili no na pressure no guso air pressure no guso water car na tie no entu car na tie no da obetwi car no saa kopem say tie ne be we cry say auto ties for the car na say yes puncher safe na dwuma aye no OMV and Sons Company Limited na akofa de aba hwehwe echi akwan kokom lemle fan of first street so ya ene Joy FM multimedia ya ene omo a ene edi hwe animu no aba bejo de boko nyesa wo de momoden a frɛ 059 575 6449. That's 059 575 6449. And I'll 0302 246 550. 0302 246 550. And I feel only a year OMV and Sons Company Limited. A dinkomo, a dia fa, poncha safe at home. Na etimiabwa, a silu poncha ni na the amount as they happen. Oh, poncha ni yeah na ne silu pa. Na uguso now. When you want now cron. Unyo bie ni asem. You know what I'm saying? All right, uguso tie 106.3 FM. Na di omu ne se ma me ma ba ko bi on. Na yemfa empire num kakra bi. Na afi ye ba na ye de eye irrigated sports aba beto aso ama ansana ya mayemusu no numbrim na yetimi ede eye presidential debate no so abrel that's what it is na ayi sama you away pop skinny away
Stubborn. How market?
Oh my goodness.
How market?
How market? A drop to say pop skinny.
We know you. You gossip, sauce. 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 How market? You saw something today. How market? You chop something today. How market? You make money today. How market? You make money today. As we know you. You gossip, sir. 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 How market? You saw something today. How market?
Yeah.
You chop something today. How market? You make money today. How market? You make money today. One person. You know everybody in matter. One person. Every pretty girl be my man. Water. One person. Every designer be Togo rapper. You wear your own good. Every time now your own better. You do well. You too much.
Once again, my man reminder was the APSA Ready to Work campaign we're a fresh graduate looking for a way to earn a living and then please make sure you join the APSA Ready to Work virtual sessions to help you transition from learning to earning. Our team of experts will be live on our Facebook page and Zoom on Thursday and Friday to engage you on entrepreneurship and people skills. Remember, it's Thursday and Friday at 10 a.m. prompt. It's time to get ready to work. That's Africanacity. That's APSA. Since we're about to say, Ultra MTN Mutumua. There's no need to be quiet MTN office be an now be call be or mumu bin chance won't count to me idea. And their friend is self-activation or while bit me trying to wait out to me. All you need to do is to dial *170# for MTN Momo. Once select your 4-digit PIN number, then you re-enter that PIN number to confirm it. After this, you receive a message confirming your activation. But in an unlikely event, you say, "Hey, be some message in pop-up." Then you contact our various digital channels or you use my MTN app. Now, wait me, Eddie, no extra to na, and no etimi ashre access to. You know what I'm saying? Now, a chance to say, and they put me a link your bank account to your Momo wallet to make life even more easy. MTN Momo is your fastest, secure, and most convenient way to transact business today. Terms and conditions apply. Just Momo it everywhere you go. We're there for you everywhere you go.
I ain't lazy. Shut your big nigga, you tripping.
Well, Kumerica.
Like your money is power.
Shawali.
Many doors. Kumerica. All my niggas so real. All my niggas know the drill. I got niggas who love praka, love the kills. Wait a minute, check my wrist. What do you see? That's a rollie so expensive like your bank account. We don't give a fuck about you, so don't give a fuck about us. All we want is that bag of money.
Charlie, me sorry why. Now me say we clean version, but unfortunately this is not the clean version. So more fun chem why now. Charlie, I say wo. Bauza, Oh no, but see they do. Omo ya. No more say bako ya uti. I don't know why they do that though. Oh, it's way dirty version. So, guys, I'm very sorry about that. I thought it was the clean version, but I do, man, Charlie. So, I didn't cooperate. I'm saying, hey.
Madam Fio wants to your friends and cry.
And I'll come out
8 years.
Precisely.
8 years.
Oh my God, now boy.
I'm
going in my patient. They sleep on the boy patient. They try to shoot me. Now one coming with this. Why am I no? Why? Yeah, I'm a yeah, I'm a runner. Obi the me Frobia. Joe, yeah, I'm a bono. Bama, you know what you. No be today. I they look for money like you be hide and seek with the play. Sweet like chicken fillet. Promote and not find the sick and no go pay.
That's right.
Me babaji pay. Yeah, dodgy traffic. We know the delay. We know the carry last. Yeah. This is a recipe. I know the talk plenty.
Yeah.
Be the man niggas a fight.
Anyway, said they are down me and my one. And then some main Kyle about Vodafone Red Trader app.
Yes, I love
the Vodafone Red Trader app. Wait and our back. Say our businessmen name, businesswomen now. Mubetimi taking absolute control of your business.
Yes, sir.
And they have one more to monitor sales. What take inventory? One manage your customers. Oh yeah, yes, Vodafone Business and a name. On my the Vodafone Red Trader app no. It allows you to manage, record, and monitor sales and inventory easily. Sounds like it's me receive payment via Vodafone Cash. You cannot pay any other mobile money option. So go on, stay in control of your business today. Wabra load and download the Red Trader app from the Google Play Store. What's me I enjoy 30-day free trial. And yes, out there phrase 0302 334 040 for more information. Now the woman say Vodafone Red Trader app wow.
Any means anyhow.
So more than one shop now. Still ubetimi use a Red Trader app no it will work for you. And no crown a boa crown at say and my human echo ye no. Ebia no we a retailer with multiple locations. Still ubetimi use the Vodafone Red Trader app.
Yes, I know.
Now face crown we be kase na me anye bia Red Trader app here. Met me the share track performances of my sales employees and a boss adwuma no make them correct pa. Yes. Red Trader app no. And no eboa. Emma ultimi enya a full sales performance tracker. Yeah, and no eboa multimi track the performances of your team. One who do obo adwuma, do obo adwuma nyina. Obo adwuma kwasa ni na be chi obia. What you say?
Yes.
Na esa our reporting feature. Yeah, and no eboa Emma ultimi nya various reports on sales made daily, monthly, I feel top items, products are low in stock, and I feel products so are out of stock, and a product so I can't expire now, a bit me at Ronina. It's a Red Trader app business person be Chatu now Chaushia me Abed Damasi. You know what I'm saying?
So I'm in pet. He's an OG and I crap. About 100G for a concept. Come on, that P in my concept. Okay, let's put P in the concept. Opeka di be any offset. Hustle now, 5 men, yeah. The wafa, Benny, pillow, them, baby. Ya see, they say soon. Oh, they make up me in the quick way. I think it's a oh, the asa or blue. The chili, yeah, means I've been riding. Major, okay, maybe. Yeah, cool, Mary. Yeah, you want a bank, keep on cussing. We have direction, make me veranda do this way. Any means, anyhow, which ways? Find that soul for me, rich way. Yes, I love.
On tawo jiga jena bu
Sulo La sulo
yes allow
On tawo jiga
jena bu
Ujimi La sulo.
All right, you found time. You find this session. Now you find Gator Sports and Trust Bar. Yes, this is Dead People featuring Rich Kent. All time.
All the hits and more. Nami se flexi gusto. Otami, nami move. Triso apase luju. Otami, nami move. Radio beswa gumu. Shadow tiny adro. Utu medu krami mingu. Otami, nami move. Nami se flexi gusto. Otami, nami move. Triso apase luju. Otami, nami move. Radio beswa gumu. Shadow tiny adro. Utu medu krami mingu. Otami abro.
We come on, me haters, Nina.
Mumia, smiling, Michian in summer with Miami, Uyamwa, or Fremi, Unyan your pano with Piami.
In the building. Now, I don't want in here.
I click it.
Boniti with
Now, there was someone to be
all right, your friends, your number 24 Gaza, and the branch then you tell nothing now, so it's a basso in the debate.
Pontum.
I have a point. And I'm 24
Well. Please, Alligator Sports. A perfect program, perfect engaging, and perfect unexpected. Alligator Sports. A papa. So listen to Alligator Stop. You grow old and you die old. Thank you.
Great. It's your watching, Nafi Omomaka Atwaso Eddie Amaya Boko.
My name is Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening Alligators Sport on Adom FM 106.3 FM. So you listen, Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening and I'm here. God bless you.
Amen. Sisi.
Other for me didn't this Sisi Chum. That they be irrigated sports. There's no day minty irrigated because minty manage na me stress.
Nice one. Offer.
The open program one denisham fast sports one. Tie irrigated sports. Adom 106.3 FM. The famous John.
Good. Kwaba.
Akumejo so.
Put him to say.
I'm here Adom, Chedi upon Adom, your tempo and we did. As I say, I'm one year away. Now, I'm very sad to start it on a very sad note.
You are very sad to start it on
yes, Yenuanomia, na Omoko Ralia, Omokonya Akunsia. You see, a beam of Frimu, a bit so crab, a bit of the crown, and a Bibrina, Dabrimunia. And Nina say, Omokorna, a will be the motorcycle. Across the room.
You're not two reports.
About the motorcycle.
Nino, Nino, Omo Bessiana, eyewitness, we are, can see.
Eyewitness, we are.
I said, HS, Motunko cross one, and a Tifomu, and another account also say, driver no portal. And now, Ulusu control. It is a and also the man. This is how to it's a trail casino because as at the time when I meet a report, a reporter, not just a friend now when you police for no kusi
could we investigate accident at all?
They do.
The police force
they do.
By a minya report no.
They do. Who said do be a catch minya kwenshia. And then na police for na bejina e kwan ho. Driver we onim de drivers ne de they know on one nim say ebi amena me you ba we so we enti no police want me ba but I ask sometimes don't want be mark for
one investigation
ade na ni na nti obe check okay say car we na aha ni no ebebo aha to ne dia it means that now we do say you see that thing it won't be yes and money na kopim say on be arrive at the possible cause of the
kakra metimi aka ne say about wo mremu ne ewo yi akwansia de wo ho akwansia wo ho kran san de be rally ne campaign ni ma but eto da bia kwa ku min kase ka particular we eto da bia ka bi wo ho a yenya de NDC no na MPP ne bo ho pa na adane presidential car traffic cross so enyina me kase ma chiro say me ba ye mi hunu bi the moment obenya party and can ruling party no stamp upon the car on there all the regulations on the road no null and void kwa kude make out here hwa me hu yana me ka say incumbent no kwa na ye me say ko share dodowa opposition party NDC omo so mo car traffic light so enyina gina wo duru ho dwim kwame speakers here kire kuntunu no twem ko kwame me say enyom pe penifo e de aban adwuma no obi won mo no ye executive director of obi won mo we na ye hwan masa omo nyina nimra so oku na de esi se bi wa traffic na che
enti sa de we na ekoso no e be ye den na timamufo no so adimra so because they don't do it. The other day I was saying it here say omu momu e wo sika gigi allowance akese omu wo sika no omu pompo no omu do to butu a just one cedi ni ade omu betua for their V8 land users. They don't pay.
Who see you no ye late.
They don't pay.
Na me ye late adwuma hu akosi twumba
ye kwa ye di traffic.
Who so me park na be sen.
O ba bet pay on no twem ta.
How the girlfriend go to watch it?
No on nam kwan go to watch kwaku. Say wani ama wo so ntem kwa de be bo ka.
No kwan
nam kwan fifi say just say ye de mra bia bakromu ase omo de they should have their way all the time. Regardless where they are going. What's the meaning of this?
Pizza ni watch command
girlfriend. What is the meaning of this? And it is very bad. Omo aside we omo ye nyina no. Omo change mani bibi o.
Yeah.
Omo chon bibi. Oh, most of them must be casting Kola Bemuade. If you swan never, discipline,
all because you have
discipline, do two boots, then you go.
Kwakudeme, he crying, I am a young Ashimakumane, Sakia Noa, yes, it's a Nipagum called Rally. No, I can say, Rally now, your Moyeno. Why can't it be such that Yeba Ododo Dua? Ya bani en mo ba be people without us obi antuka ododo du ofo aba no mo betie de eka ade a chia ye ko krote krole o se hwana e ho so yakọ ye de ofo na basa de ba sa be krote krole ho I can say people will have to travel from about to normal to social media so you really need pa mark so be lusu they make out say it is bad you air photography near than am friend it is bad so na drone no atwa pampam no you say ni aba rally kwaku Ghana football no asan hyase a yebo me obi a metena ha suye pa say football should resume say a resume na resume no enipa entimi enkohwe ball kwaku nipa enkohwe ball na nipa be na enkohwe minim say o monitor any of the rallies are enipa ko rally na kwame ukon be ya they are saying say because of coronavirus in you and you know yentimi ye dey normal way aye entino onu pokra ka senka omonye 25 to the one and no ya scrapping off now no show at all but on bebo keke na HC TV show say ubetie comment wati yet mona mahye samra we there you go for big rallies and then hwenipa ehiem obi she face mask no social distancing just say no more futu afra tweka sa microphone and run na hwe ba ku bi we ka say we no pass am away
and run na hwe ba ku bi yes say omo say omo ye bibi o Kumasi for Rollins my goodness enipa yi afi me hwa de no say Jesus enti corona no ekọ no ana say de enipa no asenkran and political
people there, they can have their way. but football cannot have it way. Me the American say ombe koso di people be say really dia football no so man kofo nko he cause teams na bre kwa kunim say and all the centers no ball no nipa no anko stadium wo de but omo tetemba abansoro so enua so apart from a cross sports stadium unya ba bia ntare no wo team na ayare the same people na say mo stadium no coronavirus no omo afumfam omo abansoro so ana omo tetare na ho no mo say those ones eti adenti na ye makakra ne mane and regulation omo kwa kunim economy adwen stadium wo de betima ka say on say those max am ngura mu uni sanitizer memma ba say nua no so ne abansoro so no omo guni bebre no why na check wo mo ampanifo no ne nyeda bia no ba ye de be favor omo nko a what is say mra bi wo rally hu da omo ba ye say this number me ba mra bi wo rally hu na
omo she mra bia, but you see the president's last address to the nation on coronavirus when ya kwan ya fa so otimi ahwe akebu sadewe unim say he mentioned to say there shall be no your friends say political gatherings. Yes, I rally there. Papa was sent to Papa Kai. And so now we see actually we see Green will come out Bruce on nam from so on not see from my turn so any mama go see what you are. So I say on some say we fire you have say omko no JDMs mo has that for mo dia BPH as well. Why my by then why am I also got us mo ndisi for mo dey ayi abwan the sample ayi osi chinyane so no okoria di mu de hudu musu abesi ne e dey for fa na e bra so sembo susum na mo ne osro ne nante we have barely 13 days for elections. It's just 14 days. Yes. Just 2 weeks. But we cannot infect everybody in Ghana with corona because we have a twaba. Yeah. Enti empanifo no some say born in the bank of India and they are rolling so they should learn to do it. Your message via Sunday radio said was it those two parties are the virus and the vaccine at the same time. And the corona what can do? Then they say the virus at the same time. So you have body point me correct. But you really dia it point me back. That's why you become one same. Football asamba. Football asamba. Matches be because a crowd of folk there. Yeah, DNT or China. And nyame adom nyame ye ho atoyen wa tell nyame adom e be sia kan e di kan our cross sports stadium na se say yes ni pan ko hwenti no e ja gi se yi so an e be hwe no na supporters no so yes me en ko stadium no nche se o mbeti ada obi an ko hwe ne jesi no won hye se TV na wote ho atena ho e support se there's a akwa bia befa so awo so betima support team ni bia no support na sa kwan no so na ye match e di kan no enkunidimi enya ye dia koma se sante kotoko de minim nia e ha team no sei I just say, my Musa Masolquadu, I shall say, Kasa, I blame my coach, and my referees. Sadiano, and what Ghana born I have bono. So, yes, I will create you or Taibi, and my referees be and no supporters in them. Okay. You could see a kind, or quite a while like a draw. What you say? So, you start here draw on one side. About too much to be our draw. Now, we're quite a Nico Kipanos, Frimu. Elbow be just obi smash no or hear from no want me answer and I keep up for buy silence I'll do ibu o 1 minute match no pa na ade ki tue bia ya na fe ayi afim na and can start so so be sakipa oh that there most of at that time no you need to take a decision right there and there because this wasn't part of your plans because I keep on in the buy on one I better share war I say what you go to the weaker side of the man or point pa but supporters omunya abotre afia na ye say supporters so mo bufu amete ase de say kotoko ye team bia this season obi anto players insane no what talk to onipa afi Brazil man or example Fabio Gama was one what try na hwede ye say wadu ahwede kra afi na hwede na bo a wo twa kotoko fo so onya hwede ni twa mo mra me bobo ono ka so odu hwede e be ahoma be de o yes, over 30 acres of sugar cane our Brazil. Ogusu a try na kotoko for the twa. They from a bobo and so na ba. E de. O mo na ba. Te say omu kotoko fa krowa enhim no. Eti supporters no mo dwa. Te say yentimi mo too much say ya to players. All these players now still are no enkuguo ani edi. And no okobo 1-1. O hope say next match no obetimi aya de kakra.
Kwaku Area Rollins or say you know on Wakai one name.
Area Rollins a Bonnie D now can Area Rollins.
Mrs. Rollins.
Yeah.
I said run
I feel na kasa.
Or say on Wakai but one name.
Nana kuna do Ajima Rollins.
Nana kuna do Ajima Rollins. Or say I can't see no one na NC I can't be. Now man for baby so say any kunu free our free no. But me for very honorable for her to do that.
Yeah.
Say be obi a kuna wu a was say free jimu a yen share that kro be na ye na on na mo bon toa na ye say ayi so nya dia e be fa.
They are saying I can't say. Oh, Kwame Jaisa.
About your to be
Jaisa. Kwame Jaisa. There be one can say it's an honorable thing. And why? It's money see why. Now that we see so far. I did aware was I said.
Can you grab so no flag better MPP. What is a utuom?
Now say mamia Ofie Kwanso attack nuclear the nation. For no sunka Ukraine go. Ya no na show ya.
Say on the potential. But we know don't do well away.
Eti sasem no enye no
kre o kobi o my press conference we ya.
Why press conference is here? Say enti abanse na information ba say eso onko no.
Oko onka o be bia so onko.
Enti Ghana di
Adom online for.
It is everywhere. It is in yes Adom online. It is everywhere. Obi se from online so.
Baby o.
Ewo baby a.
Omo gufi enti na omo twabo wono papa. Omo twabo wono.
Etiafo.
Ani am pa twom ya no kan sambo.
Da bi nyasa information on say. Mami kire se wanya ese onko bi emi na enya no kure na onko no kopa.
Tin. Ana ba konso se kotoko player no free Brazil ba no ntwa hwede bia no bobo. Nti abrante the information obe ma information oba ode ba nyina.
Asaboja obobo say. Oh. Odo hwede asa bobo. Ahwede no do mo. Ahwede no do mo.
Bema. Nya botre.
Eti de home ni se obi anua hwede bia.
Na ko yende no ya.
Ah woko. Atie for the edikan le tosu mienu ni se. Fabio Gama.
Onjari di area.
Oye footballer.
Ball ahwede ewura papa.
Eti abrante no information ode ma mu nyina no. Se ni pa na ode ma ro anfa ma ni yi. Ndi akire na ya bo akire di aba.
Fabio. Oba ye go. We ni what akokra post.
Na so mo. Ono akaza kro mo bi.
Onya ahwede ewura.
Oh mo bi.
E dey fire.
Nti mo baba mo de da ba.
O china nyame Adom an ye gi ewi.
Fe de COVID no bia a record.
Bia ho atono na. Na me Adom bia ho atono. Am pomo odin. O china na be che say house of COVID na so ni COVID. So COVID player be hu. Na hu non COVID players wa kwa ku be hu. Nye kasa tenten. Timi se me ka house asem. O china e dey
that COVID no. When say o to kra na.
We be more.
Yes, I don't care. When say ana e chempru bu wa bi.
Eze bi mu de ti come adu nyina. How they won't come. How stories when they won't my uncle.
COVID.
Oh dear. And I mean,
when I the team no pa no. So what the team no pass some players here team wo mo say. To wo no mo ko ba che so mo ya hwe.
E dia has for dey say. E sure. And I when so na when do so. Dia be obo safe when ginger park to safe. Obo hwa na when sa dan won. E bobo no ko mo.
Ni na o tell about you.
Adane ko ai Abrante bia no we kro mo bobo e friend akwa bia no ye mum. To ofrafo mu babo anu ate asim. Won se kan to anu ate asim.
Na obobi.
Mo boko ha no so.
No so bo.
You want here sana has place.
I just say Adom online dey my reporting credit where you need be. This FM online and I say credit bounce out. I want to be fast on the free na
say Ghana offer free.
I Ghana web so say no so you. It's kwaku asem say
it was on various news portals.
Pina. This is rolling bounce out of
since
omo di omo anim. No mo nya press conference no omo dwin say. Nanya concrete evidence na opera ho sa
almost, I mean, most of them, your friends, the news portals, and
then most of them were linking it to Rollins' death.
Adom online, they authentic in Tia. My John online, so authentic in Tia and Chrobi. Almost both stations are true in Dinom San Lambasti on the information about Yan and Crana Fabio Gaman. Fabio, you're on video.
To was answer. what the research never about him said na yen koye ni munche it ni sent no ma me mpre wa hanwi ye pa na fe yen ko research no so na yen ko eti for stay tuned for the latest research by in the building not just
the only researcher in town.
All right, so your first attack is a MasterCard. I'll say the first whistle is more than just the start of a football match. Now, and no any passion or ebapa, and no any the start of friendships between strangers on the same side. Now, and no any will say, would you see boss from a tie with team nature say Omonyo Mon Concoding. Now, feel favorite player no team score winning good mawa. Say, oh, Bojinus wa in the and no any say, oh, celebrate two team no abra crown as champions. Now, first whistle no, and no. And the start of something priceless. Just be a part of it. Don't just watch it, leave it. Now MasterCard and not any the official sponsor of the UEFA Champions League. Now Airtel to go so say and say free morning offer no in Trem Wiguzujinum and they also no pa 5 a.m. ekopim 10 a.m. Obetimi akasa sa free bosumi nsia mua na ni nyina ne say Obeto new Airtel to go sim. Now I make a transaction with Airtel to go money. Now when you're free Airtel to go morning calls for 6 months. Now what you can I register for Airtel to go money just dial *110#. Now what select option 2. Now fee was select a free morning offer no with as little as 2 cities. Now so I no pebia once wait me edico consensus free wa bra untu ahwe ntimen semre kra to Airtel to go sim cca na ehwa se okasa Airtel to go money. Life is simple and what you know jaisu WMP capsules no ejina so pa opedra ebetimi apage o kama pa na we mu a team no emu bebubu na watimi agya na said yes jaisu WMP capsules a sign boy prevent high blood pressure, fee high cholesterol levels, excess fat and gas in there clear no. Now why fine? Or you can import them ya rebi tete wa. Kusun egu eye Dr. Shadrack Kobna in Chakwa Eso. Ewo ye Jaisu Bar Clinic or Milton Keynes. Wait me a friend and we'll book your appointment +44 744 071 0664. Ghana had the ewa blikuma. Eye ulebu 626 down. You better your boss Asho come up. Yenro so no. Ebi wo na na boache about community 1 AA men's and afi nim dey about takrade and afi Kings Walk and repatch benches and also wo okanshi yes our phrase 0244 529 398 and afi 020 826 3357 Sankra Tui FD aimu hwemu agya tum se eye na Go TV so say ade de so a emu odu a eye. Big things are great. Intimate settle for small things. And they choose to Go TV. So I enjoy the best football leagues on Super Sport. It's nice that the big boys are back in town. Men's like a cry. Now, Emma on Sanka Go TV decoder full set for only 109 Ghana cedis. What me are grading so to Go TV Max. So Bibia. Na kesi not just the best in sports, best in entertainment, best in football and banner La Liga. So you are ne. They can come na live. And yes, all got snap baby. Wow, fee now I show Go TV. No, so bet me I connect to our bro using my Go TV app. Pay by the point, and I say any mobile agent near you. Go TV, leave it, love it. I say Nokia and so and they all my Android phones. Come on, pa. Yeah, just say unye bia a bois a ye na. Nokia Android phones here one AS Nokia 7.2, Nokia 2.3, C1, C2, another sleek Nokia Android smartphones. Now, a boy you may ye pa come on, man more megapixels in Tinunya, top class quality, beautiful pictures and videos. Now face crano, long lasting battery. Now, it's YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, any other apps no perfectly well. On account there when you bet point. If you need to phone shops, how do you name na ekojo there okoye odoko traffic light wa Georgia phone spaces or being or best sort out come up Nokia connecting people. Papa's Pizza so say and they ye 50% off on all varieties sizes what I say away in branches are name so it doesn't get any better than this. Borum Papa's Pizza branch be enjoy up to 50% discount na if you Monday Edukusi Thursday bia and Albania sa special offer we. Obey me our phrase 0241 150 555. Now I place you order. As for this one there, fala Papa's Pizza. Taste it, love it. Terms and conditions apply. Afetie the Edia Nigen Abano and I make catch the we and they Aztec Properties. M1 asase kama pa asutwai junction wa ya sha se twitwa mamanfo 6,000 na wanya plot kama pa ye wo eye ensase enso bi e dodowa afi asebi ebi wo Shy Hills Dowim afenya ayikuma Dowenya Chokoli ehona ensase wo obeto ensase ni bi nso a ye ma free blocks 200 blocks and afi 10 bags of cement near their show nkran say fashion project na say yesan wo fie a ye tonton so a obetimi abetobi na the air renting so obetimi aberenti bi o car bi o na o pese o de ban so obetimi de car na ba exchange for land ni na akonya no e wo ho o yen chi akwan o dodowa police station wa ye ne fire service for station no and dey nhwe ni mu frɛ Ostek Properties 0240 933 748 and 0266 101 406. Obetimi ako www.ostekproperties.com. Now only Edding Kitao and so Eddie Afao. I'll say Ostek Properties. Yeah, and Sasi Rua. Not just and Sasi name is Omuna. Nina Shomusa.
Kabiano Mojide.
Kabeso do the when I say okay, yeah, fine. I don't know how Debbie.
How many times now in a day?
2. I don't pump driver. I see. It's research when I now back. I never research to the kitabs. I know. I could have nice research. Okay. Yeah. Catches is one on. Obako. Just a young man, Debbie J. Obako. Ono ankasa pa time ha na niri so magana fo na hu se program won fa ni ago eti ene wa ba be san na ansa na e be mana kasa no muntie di okan na ansa na wakasa
other for me din di sisi chum na de bia mi tie irrigated. There's no day minti irrigated because mi tie manage na me sure sa
mo seriano yes this chum akwaba na bibia boko de awon fa dua wo awura de yesu asa profo ntade yesu enye easy bibia dam di is the pictures in my couple social media have we happen na no so on seriano ave kwam for every research room shop na research adware bebre na yadware ni bebre no ama your body lusu oil bi a ehia ma body na nkasa ye dware bebre na twice na thrice no obu ha to say okokiti kra ba Jesus akodware we say ni padi bi free na ekro research nti sesan wadwen kwa obu o se manware mi ntimi na mi say say na nya mi problem mi dware kro na mi ntimi na no yeah o kwa me re ebu mi dware na tete after hard days work nice was sweat kakra na we dware we na feel fresh am person say do ntimi da no kwa ma trust the okan sa say mi free ha koi mi dware bu be say me nya mi say na press am na da say because we go do say I work academic seven I'm the top of my class it's true I am the just say the ebo me pan ya no kwa it am a research na di papa say agare bebre no embo nipa. Oh my goodness. It's zero. Not just say yenti adware so na pa from dermatologist omo hwe no mani hu na mo ye omo chia akukudam na chia research no to work akra bi no adware odu ade ke ba ni chia kra dia west okoba ku bi ajo ube hu sensia o oyiri nyina be so wona ma ho ya okwaku professionals if you take daily showers you may be doing more harm to your body than good but the truth is that showering once a day dries out your skin and removes essential oils because you go 3 days go and that be that you were dry I mean you can get freshen up e wa dry bia ukwo muano wo busu na gu hu keke enye so wo disappoint some na ko obo dware sara bia o dware no friend bia research we there where the boys any beju pa o boys said you went to papa. Gentlemen.
About Italia, or what the mammy to Penny, Siano and Yankee home now. I have bombed one up last
I am telling and they are poor and they didn't shed any time. And
I cut his
not the love reception and you. Wow, this is beautiful. Tell them for talent. Debbie, I want for talent.
Talent.
What a talent. Wow. Wow.
Your friend saying,
We saw the best.
Body for Bema.
We saw the best.
Mom, we are sad to come out wrong.
Oh, Barry.
Social media handle. So Instagram, face pencil.
Face pencil.
Oh, nice.
Oh, wow. This is beautiful. Oh, Charlie Afro. Joe, one eye. What's your friend saying?
Owusu AJ Bismarck.
Owusu AJ Bismarck. Okay, so on IG, we handle near then. Now your mama phone ko follow na.
Face pencil.
So the normal pencil spelling and the normal face na. Okay, so when we born here then there. So the okay, you read oh, sir. Wow. Wait, I don't know one for that. Hey, what's my target in a long time? No, honestly speaking, the thing is very nice. It is very beautiful. Hey, it's very, very beautiful. And I already to me say, Kwame Ane, who's a microphone to me draw. I feel, who should there now? What you pano? Maybe soon you say, or the other becho. And who should that cast how baby you are using a new. But I put a money to call gates now. Maybe could be stored down about one drum. Behind the Miss Master with your phone room crowd. What do you say? A dumb crack. Last year, Valentine, drum and I waited. I'm not from my so homework. Oh, and see, I want for more joining on Facebook. Now, mon cher, was it? And son of Bopa, face pencil. Oh, man, this is nice. This is very beautiful. Honorably. It's going to be because wait now, Ubisa, my sister Baku, Becca say, oh, what a tyrant.
What a tyrant. And then
David Messu. Where a tyrant Messu.
What a tyrant. Messu, and then
Messu. Anyways. For number 2. For number 2, right?
Telephone number no 0544 737.
Yeah, Bema, what's a kind of boko now? If you didn't indicate
0544 737021. Your Kufridia.
Oh, so what do you go down?
Oh, what if you go down and buy? Oh, and I'm ready to do Pekka Cram and Faka. Oh, man.
Why are they out?
Yeah, that's why you come up. Oh, when should I? Oh, my, who does say, come na pump on the Nija or Bawino? Oh, man, a pump on the by a pan. Oh, man, it's so nice, F. All right, so, Kwame, yeah, wrap it up when now. Yeah, Master Chum can be big at Gabby non quantity, and they are ponty, let the opera can be on a hair.
It's here for I get it. And then your mother. I'm here as a banana saying, oh, I debate now. I need to know, yeah, 1 to 1 to do. I come now, Mr. Timothy, or body, and I said, Mr. Rihanna, but you crying, baby, I'm Amen.
Sure. All right. Yeah, that's it. All right. Abusafo ahana brema kwan na yede mo asi ene dwumadie ni nyina. Bedi ka catch him say the first ever presidential debate in Akano ene na e hya se ene ntino ye pon no num ye ina fi ye jemu na omo de aka ato aso e de amaye etinyame ya adom ochene no behia na ye de full show na ba till 6 p.m. why asada kese nkoma mu nyina asem no ye tena e bi nkoma producers no Papa Bills African Jamestown Jeko e bi nkoma Prince Kwame Oboade ne na asen so e wo special assignment ntina mountain kan ye from Jerry Justice na asada bi so nkoma ye sisi chum so no so e besra ye ne na asem ne ba ko pass always ushi onua na wa chia no na wa sere a chia no say we asim nipa ensehwe. Thanks so much for your time with us and do have a great evening. We are out of here.
Other for me din this sisi chum na de bia miti irrigated sports. There is no day minti irrigated because miti manage na me stress